Got my Boudin balls. You thought something was good?
Take the cap off.
That's why. Duh. I don't want to put that much in here. Oh. Oh.
What flavor is that?
That's good.
What flavor is that, bro?
Chicken, bro.
You just said.
No.
Okay, good.
See how that look. Let's see how that come apart.
Got nacho cheese on that yet, bro?
Oh.
The syringe, you counting the syringe? What gravy shit they got?
Oh.
What gravy is that?
What the fuck is gravy? What do you keep saying gravy for?
What do you do?
This is that one. Dip it in some cheese. Alright, give me that.
I'm gonna pay it for.
Shrine.
Whoa.
I like volleyball.
Let me get some cheese, my nigga. Let me get that other shit. That's kind of good though, you know?
Gosh, that one.
This is Nigeria.
The berry sauce. We're gonna try it with the Korean sauce. I forgot what he said the name was. But
It tastes like jambalaya.
they do. It's like a jambalaya kind of flavor. And they really big too. So one, even a half of one can get you full. Cause them little bites, like what got me full. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That's good. Sorry, I'm smacking y'all out there. This shit good.
We're going right back to sleep.
Hella good. And it's like it don't got too much of the Cheeto, like it's the Cheeto flavor, but the Cheeto don't overpower the
Got that
meat.
lime in that motherfucker.
Ooh, I forgot about my lime. Ooh, I'm just getting this all over. Sorry, y'all. I'm licking my fingers and stuff. But this shit good. So sorry. My baby would probably call me a big bag right now. Not a big back, but a big bag. Yeah, that's what my baby calls us who eats too much. When we don't even eat too much. What? Ooh. 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 It just make you want to dance. It just make you want to dance. But yeah, I would recommend this. Anybody who hasn't tried, please go try it. Because
Either south or somewhere else.
it's so crazy.
I ain't gonna lie.